So, Hare Krishna Mataji. So, we'll start. So, yeah. So, okay. So, in the last chapter, 10th opulences, we saw that how Krishna said, with a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support the entire universe. So, it's not that I'm present here, I'm not present there. So, Krishna is finally summarizing. So, you don't think I'm there, here, not there. I'm there everywhere as the super soul. In the entire, everywhere I am there as super soul, even in non-living, living, or whatever, the universe or wherever, I am there as super soul. Okay, so that's why now Arjuna, because he wishes to see that all pervasive form of the Lord, so he's asking Krishna to please show that all pervasive form. So although Krishna is driving Arjuna's chariot, he pervades and supports the entire universe. So here we should understand, oh, we may think that, oh, Krishna is here. Now how can he be present everywhere? So Krishna is present as super soul everywhere, throughout the entire universe. So he pervades and supports the entire universe. Arjuna therefore wishes to see Krishna's all pervading form. Arjuna requests Krishna to reveal his universal form. So we'll see in the shlokas one by one. So Mataji, can you please read the first shloka and translation, please?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, please.
Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.1. Arjuna uvaja madanugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma samjitam yet toyoktam vajastena mohoyam vigato mama. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation. Arjuna said, I have heard your instruction on confidential spiritual matters which you have so kindly delivered unto me, and my illusion is now dispelled. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So now Arjuna is saying, my illusion is gone. So he no longer sees Krishna as an ordinary friend, but as the cause of all causes, the source of all incarnation, and the super soul in everyone's heart. So this realization came only by Krishna's mercy. But to help the whole world believe, Arjuna wants Krishna to reveal his universal form. Because Arjuna is a pure devotee, he anyway believes that Krishna is the supreme personality of God. It is present everywhere. But for the ordinary people, they don't believe that. So that's why he asked Krishna to reveal his universal form. So here, see, this is what is explained here in the PPT. By hearing everything that Krishna has said, Arjuna's illusion is removed. Right? By hearing what? See, effect of hearing the most confidential knowledge. So what will happen? All illusion is dispelled. And what happens? Krishna's supremacy overall is revealed. So how is this illusion dispelled? Arjuna recognizes that by the power of Krishna's grace, by which the illusion is dispelled. Okay? And what illusion is dispelled? That Krishna is an ordinary friend or a human being. Okay? And when Krishna's overall supremacy is revealed, that we'll see in chapter 11. So in chapter 11, Krishna reveals he is the cause of all causes by showing the universal form, that he is the cause of this material nature, living being, living entities, all demigods, all incarnations. Like he's the Mahavishnu, he's the Garbhodaka Sai Vishnu, he's the Shirodaka Sai Vishnu, all that he reveals. Okay, so that is sloka 1. So I think from here it is not there. I think I'll open second shloka, Madhuri. So 2, 3, 4. I think the shlokas are not there. I'll just.
Okay, Mataji, thank you. 2, 2, 4.
Yeah, Mataji. Please go ahead and read the shloka and translation, please.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Shloka 11.2. Bhavapyayau hi bhutanam shrutau Shrutau vistarasho maya tvattaha kamala patracha mahatmyam abhichavyayam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation. O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity and have realized your inexhaustible glories. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now here in the shloka, Arjuna, he is joyfully, he accepts that Krishna is the source of birth and destruction of all living beings. So he knows that Krishna is the origin, like through Mahavishnu, through his energies actually. He knows that uh, because of Krishna, birth and destruction of all living beings happens. But Krishna remains unaffected and he's aloof. So like he's transcendental Krishna. So, but he understands that nothing in this material world can touch him. Right? He's far off from all the. He's like he remains unaffected and aloof. Though Krishna is all pervading, he is not materially entangled. So we understand this is Krishna's inconceivable glory, okay, which Arjuna now clearly realizes. So we'll see here. Okay. Now let's see the third shloka. Yeah, can you please read the third shloka and translation, Mataji?
Yes, Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Shloka 11.3. Evam etad yadatha tvam atmanam parameshwara drashtum ichhami te rupam aishwaram purushottama. Hare Krishna. Translation. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. Hare Krishna.
So Arjuna, he actually fully believes that Krishna, who is present in front of him now, is the supreme personality of Godhead. But he asks Krishna to show the universal form not for himself, but to convince the world, the people of the world, ordinary people. So he wants people to know that Krishna is not an ordinary human being. So now in Kali Yuga, because we see many people say, right, if you go to every other street, that person says, I am God or I am an incarnation of God. So for such people, Arjuna wants to set a standard. I mean, at least if somebody is saying that I am God, please ask them to show the universal form if he's God. Okay, so Arjuna, for that purpose, he's saying that you please show me your universal form. Okay, see, Arjuna expresses his desire to see the form which supports and pervades the entire universe. So he's asking, show the universal form. Why? Why Arjuna requests Krishna to show his universal form? To establish Krishna's divinity for all. Okay, so that he wants to show that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. He's transcendental, whether he comes to the material world also, but he is a transcendental. And second, to convince others, although he does not have any personal desire and is completely satisfied to see him in his personal form of Krishna. Okay, so just for other people, ordinary people may think that Krishna is a human being. So he wants to show Krishna's superiority as a personality of Godhead. So for that purpose, he is asking to show the universal form. That is one more reason. Next, the next reason is to avoid imposters. He wanted to set a criteria for in the future there'll be so many imposters who will pose as incarnations. So we discussed that also, right? Because many people in Kali Yuga, they will say, I am God or I am an incarnation of God. So if somebody says like that, you can say, please show me your universal form if you are God then. Okay, for that sake. And next, last reason, Arjuna wants to substantiate Krishna's statement that Krishna not only theoretically or philosophically, but actually shows his form. So Arjuna wanted to establish, he wanted to physically, not theoretically, physically, he's asking Krishna, please show me now in front of me, you show me physical, so that people will believe. You are just saying that I am, in the last chapter, he says, right, 10th chapter, he says that I'm pervading as super soul in the entire universe. So Krishna, he's saying, you show it practically now, physically, you show now how you are present throughout the entire, how you are pervading entirely. Okay, so show me practically, not just theoretically, you're just saying that I'm present. Show me. Okay, so now let's see the fourth shloka. Okay, Mataji, can you please read the fourth shloka and translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Shloka 11.4. Hare Krishna. Manyase yadi tat chakyam maya drishtumidi prabho yogeshwara tado me tvam darshayatmanam avyayam.
Atmanam, Mataji, sorry. Darshayatmanam.
Atmanam avyayam. Hare
Hari bol.
Krishna. Line is there. Okay, sorry. Translation. Hare Krishna. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now Arjuna knows that he cannot see God by his own power. So he humbly accepts, he knows his limits, and that's why he's praying for Krishna's mercy. And the Lord can be known only when he reveals himself. Like how much, like if he wants you to know only 10% only, we will know 10%. If Krishna wills that we should know 20%, we will know 20%. Okay, so only it's not by Krishna cannot be known by mental speculation, like how the Gnanis they do, right? They think that God is impersonal Brahman, right? But that yeah, that is Krishna, but that is not the highest. They don't want to go beyond that. They speculate that God could be like this, God could be. So not like that. He cannot be seen by speculation, but by surrender and loving devotion. So here in the PPT, see what is the qualification to see Lord's form? Only by revelation by the mercy of the Lord, not possible by mental speculation or perception by material sense. So not by mental speculation, just by guessing, oh, it could be like this, like that, because no authority of scriptures, right? So, or perception by material senses. So we can't see that transcendental divine form of the Lord with the material senses. Not possible. And Lord is addressed here as Yogeshwara. So he is the Ishvara of all the yoga, right? So everything is there in Krishna. So he's the supreme yogi. Okay. Oh, again, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not given. Lokas are not given. So I can directly go there. Yeah, Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please read the fifth shloka and translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.5. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Pashya me Partharupani Shadashyotha Sahasrashah Nanavidhani Divyani Nanavarnagridi Cha.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Translation. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "My dear Arjuna, O son of Pritha, see how my opulences, hundreds of thousands of very divine and multicolored forms." Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Krishna, he agrees. Okay, he agrees to show his universal form. It's a special form meant only for this material universe. So the universal form that Krishna is about to show, it is temporary and it is meant only for the material world. It is not like it is there, it eternally exists in the spiritual world. No. Like how for Krishna, Goloka Vrindavan is there, for Rama, and Ayodhya is there in the eternal world. Narsimha has his own, Lord Narsimha has his own abode in the spiritual planets. Like that, the Virata Rupa, the universal form, is not there in the spiritual world. It is only there in the material world, and that too it is temporary. As long as the world stays, that it will be there. Okay, so it is not eternal like Krishna's personal form. So that we have to understand. Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please read the sixth shloka and translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Shloka 11.6. Pashyadityan Vasoon Rudran
Rudran, Mataji. Sorry, Rudran.
Yeah, Rudran. Sorry. Pashwadityan Vasoon Rudran Ashwinau Marudas Tadha Bahuni Adrishta Purvani Pashyascharyaani Bharata. Hare Krishna. Translation. Hare Krishna. Just a minute, Mataji. Oh, best of the Bharata, see here the different manifestations of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini, Kumars, and all the other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard of before. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Now, Krishna tells Arjuna to see the universal form where all the demigods and countless wonders exist together. So, all the Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumaras, and all the other demigods and other countless wonderful forms, he is saying, which exist together, you see now. So, even Arjuna, who is Krishna's close friend, could not know everything about Krishna. Okay, he didn't know about Krishna's universal form until Krishna himself said in the last chapter, right? So even he could not, Arjuna, who was a close friend, did not know that Krishna had a universal form. So only when Krishna reveals himself can anyone truly see his greatness. So it's all up to Krishna. Even though Arjuna was his close friend, even he didn't know that this form of Krishna existed, a universal form. Okay, so it's only up to Krishna. If he wants to reveal, he can reveal. So, Mataji, can you please read Shloka 7 in translation, please?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
1 minute. Oh my God. 1 minute, Mataji. 1 minute. Shloka. Because now I am using my phone, that's why it is a bit difficult to read.
Shall I read it for you, Mataji? Otherwise, you will understand that.
No, Mataji, yeah, please, because now I can't use my laptop today, so yeah, please read, Mataji. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. I'll read the translation because that is the other one is in small letters. Now I can't read
In fact,
from the
you can
phone.
open your laptop, Mataji. What is the problem?
This password, I don't know. Password, no, that meeting ID, na? Because this is new one, na, Mataji.
No, it doesn't matter, Mataji. For you to open the link doesn't matter.
Okay, but
Yeah,
I have tried. It was not opening, Mataji. That's why.
Okay, I'll read the
For
shloka.
today, please read the sloga translation. I can read, no problem, Mataji, because it is in bold letters, no, so I can read it.
I'll do one thing, Mataji. I'll zoom it. Now you can see.
Yeah, Mataji.
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna Sloka 11.7. Ihaigastam Jagat Krishnam Pashyadya Sa Characharam Mama Dehe Gutha Kesha Yat Yat Chanyat Drashtumichasi. Hare Krishna.
Drashtum, Mataji. Not drashtum, it is drashtum.
Drashtumichasi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Translation. O Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see and whatever you may want to see in the future. Everything moving and non-moving is there completely in one place. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now Krishna is telling Arjuna, in my universal form, you can see everything, the past, present, future, moving, non moving, all by just sitting in one place. So Arjuna, he is able to see everything. See, can we see past, present, future at once? We can't see, right? But Krishna, because of Krishna's mercy, he is able to see everything: past, present, future, living, non-living, everything he is able to see just by sitting on the chariot. He's just sitting on the chariot and he's seeing everything. Okay. So even our scientists in this material world, he can't see what is happening in the other universes. Maybe through the satellites he can see what is happening in this universe and somewhere, but not, he can't see what is happening in the other universes. So what do we understand? Only by Krishna's mercy can one truly see everything. Okay. So Shloka 8, Mataji, can you please read?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.8. Na tu mam shakyase drashtum anenaiva swajachusha divyam dadami che chakshushu pashya me yogamaishwaram. Hare Krishna. Translation. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So now Krishna is telling Arjuna, you can't see my universal form with your material eyes. So I'll give you divine eyes. Okay, but one thing Prabhupada says in the purport here, devotees don't desire to see any other form other than Krishna with his two hands. They love Krishna's personal form. So Arjuna, he saw the universal form only by Krishna's mercy. Why? Why did he want to see the universal form? These are reasons, right? One is like he wanted to prove to ordinary people that Krishna is truly the supreme personality. Mataji, can you please read the 8th shloka and translation, please?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shloka 8, 11.8. Na tu mam shakyase drashtum anenaiva swachachusha divyam dadami te chachushu pashya me chakshuhu pashya me yogamaishwaram. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation. Hare Krishna. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. Hare Krishna. This we have read just now. No,
Oh, this we heard just now. That's what I was wondering.
11,
yeah.
Now 11.9.
So the same thing Krishna is telling here. So we have to go to 11.9. Yeah. Mataji, can you see? Yeah. Please read the shloka 9 and translation, please.
Okay, Mataji. Sanjaya Uvacha. Shloka, Hare Krishna, Shloka 11.9. Sanjaya Uvacha Ega Muktva Tado Rajan Mahayogeshwaro Harihi Darshayamasa Parthaya Paramam Rupamaishwaram. Hare Krishna. Shloka. Sanjay said, O King, speaking thus, the Supreme, the Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So now, right? Now Sanjaya is telling Dhritarashtra that Krishna actually he revealed his universal form to Arjuna. So this proves that Krishna is now not theoretical. He's not just theoretically saying he's God, but he's practically showing through the universal form that he's the supreme personality of Godhead by showing his mercy to his devotee. Okay. So 11.10.11, 12, 13 again is not there. 14. Okay, so till 14 I think we can go back to Veda base.
Okay. Ten, no, Mataji?
Yeah, 10 and 11, Mataji. I'll
Together, no?
zoom it for you.
Yes, Mataji.
Oops.
Yes.
You're able to see, Mataji?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
No.
Shloka 11.10. Anega Vaktra Nayanam, Anegadbhuta Darshanam, Anega Divyabharanam, Divyanegadyatayutham.
Eko Mataji. Divyaneko Dyatayudam.
Divyanegodyatayutham. Divyanegodyatayutham. Okay. Hare Krishna. Divya Malyambaratharam. Baratharam. Divya Gandhanulepanam. Sarvascharyamayam Devam Anandam Vishwatomukham. Hare Krishna. Translation. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. The form was decorated with many celestial ornaments and bore many divine appraised weapons. He wore celestial garlands and garments, and many divine scents were smeared over his body. All was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, all expanding. Hare Krishna.
So, Hare Krishna. So, Arjuna, he sees Krishna's universal form with unlimited eyes, mouths, weapons, and all wonders filling the entire universe. So, everything exists within Krishna. Yet, Arjuna, he sees it from one place. Yet, he's seeing everything past, present, future, living, non living, everything he's seeing just by sitting on that chariot. He's able to see everything because of Krishna's mercy. So this shows Krishna is infinite, he's all pervading, and he is inconceivable. So only by his grace, only by Krishna's grace, can one truly see his greatness. Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please read Shloka 12?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.12. Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhavedyugapaduthi Bhaved Yuga Yugadu Yuvaduthita
Yugapad Uttita.
Yugapad Uttita Videdyugapaduthita Yedi Bhaha Sadrishi Sasyad Pasas Tasya Mahatmanaha. Hare Krishna. Translation. Hare Krishna. If hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky, their radiance might resemble the effluence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. So here, Sanjaya, he tries to describe the universal form. He's saying that the universal form of Krishna was so dazzling that even the light of thousands of suns rising together could only faintly compare. He's saying it's just a fraction, that dazzling light that is coming out from Krishna's that universal form is more than thousands of suns, and that's what Sanjaya is telling. So this vision shows Krishna's unlimited glory, which could be seen only by. There is one sun itself. For us, it's so difficult to see. One sun, the light itself is so much. But imagine they're saying 1,000 suns is just like a fraction of the thing. only a fraction of so you can imagine how much effulgent that universal form is. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please read Shloka 13 and Shloka and translation?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.13. Tatraikastam Jagat Krishnam Pravibhaktamanekadha Apashyat Deva Devasya Sharire Pandavastada. Hare
Haribol.
Krishna. Translation.
Yeah, please.
Translation. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many, many thousands. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So, by Krishna's mercy, Arjuna alone could see the entire universe, the countless planets and universes existing within one form of the Lord. So, all at one place, he could see everything in that one form of the Lord. Though actually both sat in the same chariot, no one else could see it. So this shows Krishna's inconceivable power. So he reveals himself only to his devotee. To whomever he wants to give that divine vision, he will give him the divine eyes. So now he wanted to give Arjuna, and when Arjuna got that divine vision, he could see everything in that universal form. Mataji, can you please read Shloka 14 translation?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.14. Tadasa Vismaya Hristaroma Dhananjaya Pranamya Shirasa Devam Krindanjalir Abhashata. Hare
Haribol.
Krishna.
Yeah.
Translation. Then bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna bowed his head to offer obeisance and with folded hands began to pray to the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, thank you. So, seeing Krishna's, oops, okay. So, seeing Krishna's universal form, Arjuna was overwhelmed with wonder. So, his friendship now turned into reverent worship. So earlier he was a friend and a cousin to Krishna, right? But after seeing this universal form, it changed to respect. Okay, reverent worship. So that's why when he saw the universal form, his hair was standing on end, and that's why out of respect, he folded his hands and he was offering his dandavat. He was bowing down and offering his obeisances. So this shows that Krishna is the ocean of all relationships, and divine wonder awakens deep devotion. See, when Krishna showed Arjuna the universal form, he did not get scared, but he was like like it was wonderful for him. Like out of wonder, he was just looking at that form because never did he see such a form. It is like limitless. It's so big. It is limitless. So here they're trying to say that when the universal form was seen, um, he changed from friendship to awe and respect, right? Yeah, can you please read Shloka 15 translation also, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Shloka 11.15 Arjuna Uvacha Pashyami Devamstava Devadehe Sarvams Tadha Bhuda Vishesha Samkhan Brahmanamisham Kamalasanatham Rishimsh cha Sarvan Uragamscha Divyan. Hare Krishna. Translation. Arjuna said, my dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower as well as Lord Shiva and all the sages and divine serpents. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. So here, Arjuna, he saw the entire universe within Krishna. So he saw Brahma on the lotus, he saw Lord Shiva, he saw the sages, he saw demigods, and all beings. So from top to bottom, everything existed in him, in Krishna. Okay, so sitting in one place, Arjuna could see everything just by Krishna's mercy. Yeah, can you please read the translation, shloka translation, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.16 Aneka Bahudara Vaktranetram.
It is Bahudara.
Aneha Bahudara Vaktranetram Pashyami Tvam Sarvado Anandarubam Nandam Nandam na madhyam na punastvavadim.
Tavadim. Tavadim, not Tvadim, Tavadim.
Tavadim. Punastavadim. Pashyami Vishweshwara Vishwarupa. Hare Krishna. Translation. Yeah. Translation. Hare Krishna. O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see in your body many arms, bellies, mouths, and eyes expanded everywhere without limit. I can see in you no end, no middle, and no beginning. Hare Krishna.
So, Hare Krishna Mataji. So, here, Arjuna, he sees the universal form with the countless arms, eyes, and mouths everywhere with no beginning, middle, or end. So, this shows Krishna is unlimited and the supreme person within whom everything exists. Yeah, can you please read Mataji 17 shloka and translation?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.17 Kiridinam Gedinam Chakrinam Cha Tejorashim Sarvado Deepti Mandam Pashyami Tvam Durnirishyam Samandad Deeptanalarka Dyutim Aprameyam. Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Translation. Your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence spreading on all sides like blazing fire or the immeasurable radiance of the sun. Yet I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So here Arjuna says that Krishna's universal form is almost impossible to look at. Why? Because it shines like blazing fire or millions of suns. So he's not, that's why he's not able to see the universal form properly. So it is so bright, like more than millions of suns. But even within that overwhelming brightness, he clearly could see the Lord's personal features like the crowns, clubs, and discs. So this shows that Krishna is not impersonal light. He is the supreme person. He is full of power and opulence, and whose effulgence comes from his personal form. So here they're trying to say that Krishna is a person. See, many of the impersonalists they just see the outside brightness and they think that Lord is energy or light. They don't try to enter that light and see that that light is coming from the bodily body of Krishna. Okay, so they don't understand that. So that's why Krishna, he's trying to prove that he's a person and not impersonal. Yeah, Mataji, can you please read the shloka and translation?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Shloka 11.18. Tvam aksharam paramam vedidavyam tvam asya vishwasya param nidhanam tvam avyayah shashwata dharmagopta sanadhanastvam purusho mado me. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yeah.
Translation. Hare Krishna. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the ultimate resting place of all the universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion, the personality of Godhead. This is my opinion. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here Arjuna, he's saying that Krishna is the supreme truth. He is the ultimate goal of life. He is the shelter of the entire universe, inexhaustible, and the oldest person. So Krishna alone maintains the Sanatana Dharma. So we should understand that Krishna is not saying all these things now because of some imagination or sentiment. So Arjuna is speaking all these words with full realization and conviction that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. So he's not unnecessarily imagining and telling all these words that Krishna is like is a supreme primal objective. He is the ultimate resting place of the universe. He's inexhaustible, oldest. No, he's not exaggerating or just imagining and telling out of sentiment. He is telling all this with full realization and firm faith. He's telling, okay, so that we have to understand that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. $19 we finished, right? No, 19 we didn't finish, right?
19 also not there. So,
Okay, 19 is also not there, Mataji. 20 is also not there, 21.
I think they have not given 23, no. Only the translations are given, Madaji.
Yeah. So till 31 we'll see, Mataji. Again we'll see it back, okay?
Okay, Madaji.
Yeah, 19 you can please read, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.19. Anadi madhyandam ananda viryam ananda bahum shashi surya netram pashyami tvam deepta hudashavatram swadejasa vishwamidam tapandam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Translation. You are without origin, middle, or end. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arms, and the sun and moon are your eyes. I see you with blazing fire coming forth from your mouth, burning this entire universe by your own radiance. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. So Arjuna, he realizes that Krishna has no beginning, middle, or end. He is unlimited. His arms are innumerable. The sun and moon are his eyes, and fire is coming out from his mouth. So he could see that he is consuming the universe by his own power through the mouth. So everybody is entering the mouth, and they're dying. Okay. So this shows Krishna's boundless opulence and supremacy. So why are they again saying always? You must we must have seen in the previous shlokas. They are repeating numberless arms, numberless mouth, numberless eyes. Why are they repeating it again and again? So it expresses like Arjuna. He's like in wonder now. That's why he's repeating again and again. So why is he repeating again and again? To glorify the unlimited greatness of the Lord. He's again and again telling numberless of hands. So it's like he's trying to glorify the unlimited greatness of the Lord. That's why he's repeatedly telling all that. Okay. Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you please read 20 shloka and translation?
Hare Krishna, yes, Madaji. Shloka 11.20. Drava prithyor idam andaram hi vyaptam tvoyagena di
Tvayaikena, Mataji, sorry. Tvayaikena.
tvoyagena dishascha sarvaha drishtvaadbhudam Jubam Ugram Tavedam Logatrayam Pravyathitam Mahatman. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation. Although you are one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between. O great one, seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, although Krishna is one, he expands everywhere through all planets and all space. So, when his universal form was revealed, it was so vast and powerful that all the planetary systems were shaken with fear and wonder. Okay, so this vision was real. So we should understand that the universal form that everybody saw, all the people on the other planetary system saw and Arjuna saw, it is not imaginary. It is real, right? By Krishna's will, everybody could see it. Not everybody, in the sense who are given the divine vision. So now here they are saying, besides Krishna, Arjuna, other people on other planetary systems could see and they were shaken with fear. Okay, so Krishna gave them the divine vision also so that they could see his universal form. Hare Krishna, Mataji, can you please read Shloka 21 and translation?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Shloka 11.21. Amihi tvam surasankha vishanti kechit phitaha pranjalayo grinandi sti swasti idi uktva maharshi siddha samkhaha stuvanti tvam studibhihi pushkalabhihi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation: all the hosts of demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Some of them, very much afraid, are offering prayers and with folded hands. Hosts of great sages and perfected
Beings,
perfected beings crying, all peace, are praying to you by singing the Vedic hymns. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, here, seeing the terrifying universal form of Krishna, all the demigods became fearful and surrendered to him. So some entered into his universal form, and some other demigods, they prayed with folded hands, and great sages glorified him by chanting Vedic hymns for peace. So this shows that even the demigods depend fully on Krishna for protection. So we can see even the demigods are praying. After seeing the universal form, they became fearful. So that's why they are praying for protection with folded hands. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Can you please read the Shloka 22 and translation, Mataji?
Yes, Madaji, Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.22. Rudraditya Vasavo Ye Cha Sathya Vishweshinau Marudash Choshmabascha Gandharva Yachasura Siddha Samkha Vichande Tvam Vismidaschaiva Sarve. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation: all the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Varunas, the Sadhyas, the Vishwadevas, the two Ashwins, the Maruts, the forefathers, the Gandharvas, the Yakshas, the Asuras, and the perfected demigods are beholding you in wonder. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So all classes of beings, different manifestations of Lord Shiva, the demigods, forefathers, celestial beings, demons. So all are all seeing Krishna's universal form with astonishment. So this shows that everyone, from the highest to the lowest, they are subordinate to and amazed by the Supreme Lord. Okay, so what is Arjuna telling? So all these people, Lord Shiva, the Adityas, Vasus, Sadhyas, the Devas, the two Ashvis, the Maruts, everybody, the forefathers, the Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, and the demigods are all looking at you in wonder. Okay, can you please read the Shloka 23 translation also, Mataji?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Shloka 11.23. Hare Krishna. Rupam Mahate Te Mahat Mahatte Bahuvaktra netram Mahabaho Bahuruva
Bahuru.
Bahurupadam
Bahuru. Bahuru.
Bahurupadam
No, it's not Bahuru. It is Bahuru.
Bahurupadam
Yeah.
Bahudaram Bahudamstrakaralam Drishtva Lokaha Pravyathidas Tathaham. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation: O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form, with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so am I. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So Arjuna is saying that seeing your terrifying universal form full of countless faces and fearful teeth, all the planets and demigods are shaken, and I am also trembling. So this shows that the cosmic form it demands respect out of awe and fear. Okay, so this shows Krishna's supreme uncontrollable power, the universal form. Okay, so Mataji, can you please read Shloka 24 and translation?
Yes, Madaji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.24 Nabhah sprishyam deeptamaneka varnam vyatananam vyatananam deepta vishala netram दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां
No,
प्रवृथितानन्तरात्मा
it's Pravya. Pravya Titantar.
प्रव्यथितान्दर आत्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि क्षमं च विष्णु. Hare Krishna. Translation: O all-pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gaping mouths and your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So Arjuna, he confesses that seeing Krishna's universal form, which is filling the sky with blazing colors, huge open mouths, and fiery eyes, has filled him with fear and shaken his mind. So so we can understand that the Vishwarupa, it reveals Krishna's unlimited power, and which overwhelms even a great devotee like Arjuna. And what does it prove? It proves that Krishna is far beyond ordinary human understanding. Okay. So Hare Krishna Mataji, can you please read the shloka and translation?
Yes, Madaji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.25 Damshtra cha te mukhani damstvaiva kalanala sannibhani
Karalani.
Karalani cha te mukhani damstvaiva kalanala
No, just sorry. It's Drishtvaiva.
Drishtwaiva Kalanala
Kalanala.
Kalanala Sannifani Disho na jane na labhe cha
Labhe.
sharma.
Labhe, Mataji. It's not Labhe. Labhe.
Na labhe. Oh, sorry, Mataji. Line is not there. Disho na jane na labhe cha sharma. Prasida Devesha Jagannivasa. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation: O Lord of Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance, seeing thus your blazing death-like faces and awful teeth. In all directions, I am bewildered. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here, Arjuna is amazed and a little scared seeing Krishna's huge universal form with many faces, arms, and eyes. So he feels he can't stay steady or in control. So he humbly prays to Krishna, the Lord Krishna, asking for mercy, showing that. One second. Okay, so he is like because he lost his steady and he's out of control. So that's why Arjuna he's praying to Krishna, who is the Lord of all, and asking for mercy. So he is showing that when we see the Lord's greatness, the only safe place is to fully surrender to Him. Okay, when we are scared or anything happens, what is the best thing to do? The safe place is to fully surrender to Krishna. So Mataji 26 and 27, can you please read the shloka and translation?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Shloka 26, 11.26. Ami cha tva dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaivani pala sanghai.
Sahaivavani.
Sahaivavani pala samghaiha. Sanghaihi Bhishmo Dronaha Suda Putras Tathasau Sahasmadiyair Api Yodhamukhyahi. Shloka 27. Vaktrani te Twaramano Vishanti Vaktrani te Twaramana Vishanti Damshtra Karalani Payanagani Kejit Vilagna Dashanandareshu Samdrishyande Churnitair Uttamangaihi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation: all the sons of Dhritarashtra along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna and our chief soldiers also are rushing into your fearful mouths, and some I see trapped with heads smashed between your teeth. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here Arjuna sees Krishna's universal form, and what is he seeing? He's seeing all the warriors like Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and the sons of Dhritarashtra, and even some of Arjuna's own soldiers are being swallowed by Krishna's terrifying mouths, or they are being crushed between his teeth. Right? So this shows that in the battle, many powerful fighters will be defeated, and ultimately Arjuna will succeed, just as Krishna has promised. Okay, so Arjuna could see the people on the other side, like Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and everybody. They're going into. So now here Arjuna is seeing the future. So in the future, now he could understand that Bhishma, all these people will die. So Krishna is showing all that, right? He could see the past, present, future, everything. So now Krishna is showing the future. See, all these people are going to die for sure. You will win, right? He's trying to tell that. So 28. Can you please read the shloka and translation, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.28. Yadha nadina bahavo ambu vegaha samudramevapi mukha dravanti tatha tavami nara lokavira vishanti vaktranyabhivi jwalanti. Vaktrani, jwalanti. Hare Krishna. Translation: as the many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouths. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So he's comparing how they are entering into the mouth of the universal form of Krishna. How, like how we can see that different rivulets or rivers, they flow and meet into the ocean and become one with the ocean, right? Like that, all these great warriors are rushing into Krishna's blazing mouths and they are being swallowed up. Yeah. Mataji, can you please read the shloka and translation?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.29. Yatha pradiptam jwalanam padanga vishyandi nashaya samruddha vegaha tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokas tavavi vaktradi samruddha vegaha. Hare Krishna. Translation: I see all people rushing full speed into your mouths as moths dash to destruction in a blazing fire. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here, he's Arjuna is saying that I see everybody rushing into your mouth, just like moths fly straight into a bright burning fire and get destroyed. So he's comparing here, like how the people are entering the warriors are entering into your mouth, like how moths are attracted to fire, to a blazing fire. So let's see Shloka 30. Can you please read the Shloka 30 translation, Mataji?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Shloka 11.30. Lelihyase grasamanaha samandal lokan samagran vadanirjwalabhihi tejobhirapurya jagat samagram padastavograha pradapandi Vishnu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Translation. O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouth, covering all the universe with your effluence. You are manifest with terrible scorching rays. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Arjuna, he could see Lord Vishnu's universal form devouring, like he could see that universal form devouring everyone, like how fire is swallowing the moths. So his blazing, all powerful form spreads across the whole universe, and his bright rays are everywhere. So even great warriors and kings, they become powerless before Krishna. So this shows Krishna's supreme energy and that he's the ultimate controller of everyone and everything. Yeah. Can you please read the shloka, Mataji? Translation
Hare
also.
Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Shloka 11.31. Akyahi me ko bhavanugra namostu te deva vara prasida vijñādumiccāmi bhavandamadyam na hi prajanami tava pravrittim.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Translation 11.31. O Lord of Lords, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisance unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primal Lord. I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Arjuna, he sees Krishna's universal form, which is terrifying and powerful, and so he humbly bows down, offering respect. He says, "O Lord of Lords, I don't understand who you are or what your plan is." Okay, he's asking what, please let me know what your plan is. And please be kind and tell me because I want to know the truth about you. So here, what Prabhupada is saying in the purport, Arjuna is overwhelmed by wonder and fear. So realizing that the Supreme Lord's true form is far beyond ordinary understanding, because ordinary people seeing that universal form they can't understand immediately, like they're just looking at it with wonder. So even a great warrior like Arjuna, he needs guidance to comprehend Krishna's mission and purpose. So nobody can understand Krishna unless he reveals. Not even Arjuna could understand. Okay, that's why he's asking, what is the mission and purpose of this form, universal form? Yeah, this is 13. So Arjuna is questioning, asking, after seeing the universal form, he's asking, who are you? What is your mission? So why Arjuna is asking these questions? So Arjuna knew Krishna as his friend and supreme personality of Godhead, but he was puzzled by various forms exhibited by Krishna. See, you can see in the PPT, he knew that Krishna, who is his friend and is the supreme personality of Godhead, but he was like out of wonder. He was puzzled by seeing so many forms in that universal form. Like we can see in the PPT, right? He could see Brahma, Vishnu, Lord Shiva. So seeing all this, he was puzzled. That's why he's asking, who are you? What is your mission? Again, 32, 33, 32.
33 it is there, it seems.
33 is also not there, Mati. Oh, is there? Yeah. So 32. Then 33 will come back.
33 also it is.
Yeah, 33 is given. Yeah. 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 Please read the shloka, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.32. Kalosmi loga krit pravruddho lokan samahartumiha pravruttaha ritevi tvam na bhavishyanti sarve ye vastitaha pratyanigeshu yodhaha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
The Supreme Person.
The Supreme
The
Personality.
Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Time, I am the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come here to destroy all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain." Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now Krishna tells Arjuna, see, I am time, the great destroyer. So everyone here will die. Krishna is telling, I mean, through he's everybody will die except you and your brothers. So this war is just Krishna is saying that it is just my arrangement. So I've got all the bad people at one place and I wanted to kill all of them at one go. Instead of killing one demon at one place, I wanted to finish once and for all. So that is why I arranged this Kurukshetra war. So this war is my arrangement so that I can kill all the bad people in one shot. So even if you don't fight, destruction will happen. Okay, because all living beings are subject to my plan. So I have come to show the power of time and fulfill the cosmic law of destruction. This is what Krishna is saying. So what should we understand? Krishna shows that the destruction of life is ultimately under his control. Okay, so everything is under Krishna's control. So 33, I think, is there, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you see, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Yeah, please try, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. 11:33. Tasmat tvamuttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun phungshva rajyam samruddham mayaivaite nihata.
Sorry, Mataji. Mayai vaite.
Mayaivaite nihataha purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin.
Haribol.
Hare Krishna. Therefore, get up and prepare to fight. After conquering your enemies, you will enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement, and you, O Savyasasin,
Sachin, Mataji. Savya Sachin.
Savyasachin can be but an instrument in the fight. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Krishna is telling Arjuna, get up and fight. See, victory is already arranged by me. Your enemies are already destined to die. So your role is just to be my instrument. So everything happens according to my plan. So it is not, nothing is random. So the battle is part of the cosmic order. So here, so if we act in Krishna consciousness, doing our duty, Krishna is saying you will be perfect and fulfilled. So what do we have to do? Like Arjuna, like we have to fulfill our duties, and we should not neglect our duties. We should fulfill our duties by adding Krishna, putting Krishna in the center. So we should add Krishna to our life. So Arjuna's fight is just not by chance, it is under Krishna's control. And we should all act as instruments of God while doing devotional service. Okay? 34 again, shloka is not there. So 32 and 33 we will see first. Right. So Krishna answers Arjuna's questions here. Time I am Kalarupa. And what is the mission? To destroy everything, all the people except the Pandavas. So Krishna says that everybody is going to die. Only the Pandavas will remain. All will die. Okay. So indicates even if Arjuna did not want to fight, they will die anyway. So yeah, Krishna he shows Arjuna the future, saying that all Dronacharya, Bhishma, Karna, all are dying. So here, that's why Krishna is telling, see, even if you don't fight, they're already killed. They will anyway die. So you be the instrument. If not you, someone else will be the instrument, and they will kill. But dying, they have already died because I have decided that they will die. So they will die. So you just be the instrument. And in 33, Krishna's, I have already destroyed all your, that's what Krishna is saying. I've already destroyed all your enemies. You just become my instrument, fight and win glory. Oh, Savyasachi. Savyasachi here means they're saying who fights ambidextrously, that is, with the left or right hand. So, Nimitta Matra means what? Nimitta, just see, I am doing everything. I have done everything. I have killed them, everything. You just be an instrument. You just act as if you are fighting. So you take the credit, like as if you are fighting and you have killed them. So you be instrument. Nimitta matram. Okay, so Arjuna's motivation is means what he is doing it to fulfill Lord's desire. So actually, Arjuna he does not have the intention to fight, but to fulfill Lord's desire, he decides to fight. So Lord's plan is very specific in the material world. So he plans everything. So what is the sign of intelligence? To recognize that the whole world is moving under the plan of the Lord. Okay, we should understand that everything that is happening in this world is happening according to the plan of the Lord. But what do fools think? Fools, they think that there is no plan behind the creation. All are accidental formation. They have just come like that, they think. Just out of nowhere, they have come. This Prakriti has come just like that. That's what they think. And the scientists, obviously, we know they are always, they put forward so many theories. And those theories, in that, they will say perhaps it could be like this, or maybe like this, right? So that's the assumption they come to. So all this is like it reaches nowhere. Okay. Okay. So this is 33. 34 is here, but shloka is not there. 34. 34, 35, 36, 38 is not there again.
No shlokas.
All are not there, Mataji. 42.
Will you please explain from this only, Mataji? Here and there will be difficult.
No, it's okay, Mataji, no problem. So we have to start from 34, Mataji. 34.
Oh.
Yeah. My only thing is like you will not be able to see the pictures, Mataji. That's the only thing.
No, the PPT is there. No, evening I see, go through that.
Yeah,
PPT
wonderful.
you have given, no, Mataji? Mataji, no, please give me. It is up to 10, it is given, it seems, no?
Yeah, definitely, Mataji, definitely.
Please share 11. Today only it started. Now up to 10 we are having.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Please read the shloka, Mataji.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Shloka 11.34. Dronam cha Bhishmam cha Jayadratham cha Karnam tadhanyanapi yodha viran maya hadamstvam jehi ma vridhishta vyadhishta, sorry, not vyadhishta yut yut yuthyasva jetasi rene tabatsnan.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Translation: Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna and the other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore, kill them and do not be disturbed. Simply fight and you will vanquish your enemies in battle. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So here, Krishna tells Arjuna, Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna, and all other warriors are already destined to be destroyed by me. So they've already, he showed Arjuna that they're going into the fire, into the mouth of the universal form of Krishna, right? So he's telling you just do your duty. So fight bravely. I mean, like just be an instrument. You act in, not act literally. You fight. You just be an instrument. I've already killed them, so you don't worry about that. So you will surely defeat your enemies and you'll win the kingdom back. So God controls everything, but he lets the devotees take the credit. So Krishna, he never wants to take the credit. He always wants to give credit to his pure devotees. So that's why, though he has killed, he showed the future that he has killed all these people. They are destined to die, but he wanted to give the credit to Arjuna. So that's why he's saying you just be an instrument and fight. Okay. So you will get the credit that you have killed them. Okay, so when we act in Krishna consciousness, we are safely part of Krishna's plan. Okay, so I think we'll stop here, Mataji. I think it will be too much.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, from 35, anyway, it's a new this thing section.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think it's 1.5 hour, right?
Yeah. Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Yeah, we'll stop here, Mataji. Yeah, tomorrow we'll try to complete, okay?
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.